Okay, way past midnight. Business. No, let me start all over again. Way past midnight. Business lesson number 1. I'm being asked to be a business coach for several people right now. And this is business lesson number 1. I was just asked by somebody, how do you do it? I said, well, business lesson number 1 is very simple. Is to never ever use your own money. You use other people's money to invest in your idea. You give them more back than they put in, and you keep the rest, etc., 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 etc. Now, until you have enough capital saved up, and then it's up to you to use part of your own money to reinvest into ideas. But when you start out, business lesson number 1, you really have to learn this. Never ever use your own money. Money is not yours. You use other people's money that you are able to fulfill your ideas with and really work your tail off until your ideas work. Your ideas have to work, because otherwise you're a crook. But when you really are serious about your ideas and you're willing to take the action necessary in order to fulfill your ideas, to make them real and to materialize your ideas, then profit comes out, and part of the profit you make a deal, you give to those who invested, and you keep the rest. Simple. So just come up with wonderful ideas that make people's lives better. So you have to be willing to do fundraising if you don't have money, when you don't have money. And even if you have money, I think you should always use other people's money, whether it's investors or banks or whatever. Money is cheap. People don't know what to do with their money. They are willing to invest in your ideas in order to make their money more money. So that's their cash flow. And you keep the rest that you can use for your lifestyle / new ideas, and grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. So much more to it, but business lesson number 1, always use other people's money with your ideas and then give them plenty back. Depends on what deal you strike. You do the effort, you work your tail off to make the idea. Yeah, it's called from chaos to cash flow. I'll give you the other some more in-depth lessons how to make cash flow from chaos. That is a business on its own. So as a concept developer and as a specialist in setting up businesses and launching businesses and using software and automation for that, I can tell you one thing. Business lesson number 1 is use other people's money to finance your ideas and give them plenty back out of gratitude. Keep the rest and continue. Check you soon. Bye. Oh yeah, click links underneath this video when you really want to know more about concepts, developments, ideas, startups that we are launching at this very moment. I told you it's very late, but I had to make this video, and I'll send it to the person in question. But when you want to know more about our ideas that we're launching right now, mind-blowing, revolutionary ideas, then click links underneath this video. Get back to the person that invited you to this video. He or she has a huge surprise for you in order to for yourself to become a business owner, a business entrepreneur, a concept developer, a startup geek. And if you want to, when you want to, depends on your dreams and aspirations, leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number somewhere on this page where you can do so, probably underneath or to the right when you see this video on a page where you can do so. Won't spam you. I'll send you appropriate video information, probably lesson number 2, 3, 4 and so on. It's the beginning of a course. And then click links under this video. When you see this on YouTube, somewhere here there's a little word spelled share. When you click on that, social media icons pop up. You're able to share this video on your own social media platforms in order to grant other people marvelous ideas, and especially business lesson number 1. And then I'll see you and yours on our webinars, live streaming sessions, seminars, Zoom calls, Skype calls, events, special outings, clinics, wonderful meetings, but definitely in the most beautiful resorts and on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Check you soon, entrepreneurs.